Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, we have x squared, sy, y squared. They are derived number 2. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equal to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. First the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. First the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v. So y we change by vx. This one we change by this one. Next, we need to simplify x squared for the both sides. Now we need to open parentheses. So 3v minus v, we have 2v. This one that is about identities, so we have 1 plus v everything to the power of 2. So this one I will put on the right. So the s and s I will put on the left. This one I will put on the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 1 plus v. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by x. And now we need to change v into this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.